Hello, welcome to the tutorial video for viewing your account activity in WVU MyAccount. I have already logged in, and if you have any trouble getting to this point, you can watch our student WVU MyAccount login tutorial. Once you have logged in, you may notice a menu bar across the top of your screen. To view your account activity, you can either click on the My Account tab and select Account Activity, or if you have watched the viewing charges on your WVU MyAccount homepage tutorial, you know that you can also click on any of the categories listed in the View Account section in the middle of your home screen, and that will take you to your account activity page as well. On the account activity screen, you will see a list of the semester or semesters you have attended or will be attending at WVU, along with any balance that may be due for each semester listed. To expand each section, you can click on the arrow to the left of each semester. When you open each section, you have the option to print this information, download it as an Excel spreadsheet, or download it as a PDF document. If you are accessing the account activity for official purposes, such as submitting to a third party for a scholarship or tuition reimbursement program, only the printed copy and the PDF will have West Virginia University letterhead. The Excel sheet will not and may therefore not be accepted by the third-party recipient. For a more official bill, you can access an on-demand statement. For information about accessing your on-demand statement, you can watch our Accessing Your On-Demand Statement tutorial. Each account activity section will have estimated financial aid listed first, followed by account activity. Here, you see that this student has a tuition payment plan set up to cover their balance, but not any other types of aid. In the account activity section, all the charges added to or taken off of the student's account will be listed in order of most recent charge. Each section will have its own drop-down that can give you additional information about the changes that fall into each category. Another important thing to note about this format is that for many students who have more than one scholarship on their account, they will see all of their scholarships listed in one group with a total value listed. With that in mind, if you are looking for a scholarship that you are expecting, be sure to click on the little arrows next to your first scholarship listing to make sure that another scholarship isn't nested under a previous listing. The negative amounts listed on the right are payments or credits that pay towards the balance due, whereas the positive dollar amounts are the charges that were added to the account. If you have any other navigation questions, more tutorials for WVU MyAccount and its features are available on the WVU Student Accounts website on the tutorials webpage.